What's up, you guys? So in today's video we're going to be fixing some of the issues on duck. One of those is this. So it's actually not super bad, but I got a new one at Miata's at the Gap, so I figured why not I just go ahead and replace it. The only thing I have to do is, well, I don't know, but we're going to figure it out. Oops, don't mind those. Oh my god, what is that doing? Oh shit. Okay. Alright. That looks like that's it then. Alright. But how do I replace the... Okay, well I guess I'll figure it out. Oh. What? Oh. I get it. I'm wasting my time. Alright, so this one needs to go. And we can put these... That was a weird noise. We can put these back in. Oh, wait, no. No. Wait. I'm stupid. I'm mixing them up. So this is the one that we need. Let's test it and find out. Okay. Yeah, this one looks better too. My factory one, thank God. If you ever wondering how a lock looks, time to fix my mistake on this one. Oh my god, dude, sick, a 2004 airbag. Wait, what does it look like in there? It doesn't look like anything. I guess that's in, I don't really know. It holds on this side, just this side is loose. Whatever, it's gonna be closed anyways. Oh, look at that. Fucking perfect, dude. I did a bang up job. I mean, like, bro, like, it's literally fine. It just sags. I mean, it did that before, so, like, I'm not surprised, but... Do you guys see how this is very yellow and cloudy and shitty? Well, I've used this once. Hopefully it makes it look a little bit better. I am tired of having crusty headlights. Even though I do this about every 6 months. Hold up, let me go get my water. Maybe I should get some tape. I can't find any tape and I don't really care, so we're just gonna wing it. so as you can tell, this is how the headlights came out. They're looking better than they did before. Not 100%, but they are at least a little bit better. Aw, man, do I have to remove the bumper to get this off? New plan. New plan. If you can't bring the headlight to the hairdryer, why is it running? Stop. As I was saying, if you can't bring the headlight to the hairdryer, bring the hairdryer to the headlight. It looks like it's already gone. Oh well. Well, that may have worked a little bit too well. Alright, let's put it back together. Another thing I'm not too sure if I mentioned is, do you see all this gunk in here? That's from this, I don't know, something happened, it got too full, or, well, the line is cracked down there, you can't see it, but there's a little crack in the hose, like on the end, but it's still clamped off, so it shouldn't have leaked, but it's power steering fluid all in my engine bay. I haven't had a chance to clean it yet, so let's go ahead and I'm just kind of gonna have to very gently, oh god, yeah, that's it right there. Make sure to get it in the intake too. Good thing I don't care about my engine bay. Oh god. Oh god. Why? That is the cleanest part of the whole fucking engine bay. Alright, let's close the hood now and never look under here again. Alright, so something I didn't mention is when we were at the Dragon and we were in that rainstorm, I hit a massive puddle. Water got logged in both of these. This side is the worst, which arguably has the better side headlight, so it's kind of a weird mix. Anyways, I'm gonna try to get this water out using the hairdryer and a towel. We're religious in this house. We use fucking microfibers. Okay, microfibers might not work for this. By the way, this is the perks of not running fender liners. Also the downsides, because fender liners would have probably saved me. No, get in, you're so close. You're so, okay. Now let's try the hairdryer. You know what? Maybe it's okay. I mean, we got the majority of it. Oh my gosh, dude, my side marker has water in it too. There's water fucking everywhere. We were so close to getting all of them. Fuck it though, it's alright. And just as an idea, that is how bad my side markers are after that water incident. Put these where I'll remember them, right in the grass. Oh. Oh. Dude, these things are like totaled. Come on, Moss Miata. What the hell? Can't handle a massive fucking flood of water? Weird. That's a joke, obviously. Look how nasty that is, too. I'm definitely realizing that these cars are just meant to be garaged, not really left outside. I mean, It's not better, but I need a side marker so it doesn't look weird, so we'll just put it in there. I'm debating on whether I want to try to fix this. I think I'm just gonna leave it. I don't know. I don't really want to spend money on JB Weld.
Now this side marker looks fucking perfect.
Alright, this one should be a lot easier.
No, it's fucking coming back. Fuck.
And with that, that is going to end today's video. Here's a little before and after for you on the screen. I really did try with fixing these, however, I do have to do this about every 6 months. It's not a brand new headlight, but it is definitely better than it was, or at least I think so. But as always, thanks so much for watching, and if you liked the video, all I ask is that you share it with a friend. I'll see you in the next one.